Hi everyone, I'm here with the June DegustaBox, which is my birthday month. It is my birthday on the 4th. So we had great cake, which I'm going to show you how to make an ice cream cake, and also how I made this beautiful buttercream cake that has this rose kind of frosting. So I'll show that all to you. Okay, and we'll see what's in here. So right on top, we've got some Zollipops. 2, 3, 4 Zollipops on top. I don't know if that's just a treat or there may be a coupon. Oh yeah, there's a coupon in there. That's just a little treat. Buy one, get one free, Zollipops, Zaffy Taffy. And we had something like this in the last one. These are the clean teeth pops. So this is $3.99 for a 3-ounce package. So that's worth $3.99 for us to go get a free package. So we have organic grounded snacks. These are by Lundberg Family Farms. Perfectly sweet and wonderfully nostalgic. Our cinnamon sugar chips are as good as your imagination hopes they'll be. Keep your feet on the ground and your taste buds in the sky, and most importantly, enjoy every bite. They're gluten-free, they're whole grain, red rice, and quinoa tortilla chips. Those sound good. Muti peeled tomatoes. 100% Italian. Now we've received, I don't know if we've ever had the peeled tomatoes before. We've had their tomato paste, purees, and stuff like that. Very good. Muti peeled tomatoes have their skins removed, and then they are immersed in a delicious velvety passata. Processing and packaging all occur within 24 hours of harvesting to preserve the authentic taste of freshly picked tomatoes. They have many different uses in the kitchen, and they're perfect for traditional Mediterranean recipes. Okay, we have Goya, Sazonador Total, the perfect seasoning. So what this is the perfect seasoning. Rub it on meats, poultry, and fish. Add it to salads, soups, sauces, and vegetables. Enhances the natural flavors of food and is the perfect mix of natural ingredients. This retails for $3.59. Sometimes I forget to do this. $2.99 for the Muti. These $3.49. And then the free lollipops or taffy we have is $3.99. So you can get this box, we're not done yet, for half price, which is $9.99, and that includes shipping and handling. There's no additional cost for shipping and handling. There's a link in the video description. There's also on my blog. You could click on the side to get that special price, and you can try whatever I'm going to show you now for $9.99 complete, which is a great deal. We have the Goya tortillas, corn tortillas. They're as popular in America as sliced bread. Tortillas are enjoyed worldwide as the main ingredient in quesadillas, tacos, and burritos, or sliced and fried as tortilla chips, or use it as a wrap around your favorite sandwich. So we've got that 30 corn tortillas in here. No lard, no cholesterol, and gluten-free. Walker's pure butter vanilla shortbread. I love their cookies. Okay, our tortillas retail for $2.29. Our Walker's shortbread retails for $4.49. So Walker's vanilla shortbread is light, airy, and has a crumbly texture. Made using Walker's original shortbread recipe, they're perfectly complemented by real vanilla. Delicious and light, these melt in your mouth. Shortbreads are perfect for tea and coffee. True lemon. I have another thing going on with True lemon. Gotta check out. That retails for $4.99. True citrus. Perfect for water, tea, and recipes. 0 calories, 0 carbs, 0 sugar, and no artificial sweeteners, no artificial colors, preservatives, sodium, or gluten. One package equals the taste of 1 lemon wedge, 2 packets, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So that's great, especially now with drinking, you know, I drink a lot of unsweetened tea and water. This is great. There are 32 packets in there. And then we've got, I had these before, That's It Zesty. I've not had the Zesty. That's It is a snack company dedicated to simple and easy ingredients made from real fruits, veggies, and dark chocolate. So these retail for $1.69. Okay, now we have Tickle Water. Tickle Water. This is kind of interesting. It has a pop top. Tickle Water Watermelon. So this is watermelon tickle water. And we should probably do some taste tests, but my kids always get into everything before I even do all that. Let's see. So tickle water is a naturally flavored sparkling water created with kids in mind, but enjoyed by all ages. That would be really good because my kids love sparkling seltzer waters like that. Our lightly carbonated sparkler is in a super stylish package. It's free of sugar, it's free of sweeteners, it's free of sodium preservatives, and of course has 0 calories, refreshingly clean, distinctively good. Drink Tickle Water anytime, anywhere. It's a naturally flavored sparkling water and it retails for $1.29. So we have Goya black beans, frijoles negros, low in sodium, now with sea salt, and let's see, these are prime premium black beans. For those, low sodium black beans are part of Goya's growing line of better for you products. Plump, whole tender black beans in a can with 70% less sodium than the original. Perfect for rice and beans, ready to use in salads or as an ingredient in soups, chilies, refried beans and stews. These premium beans give your family a great alternative to meat. So let's see, I think we've got everything. Cinnamon sugar, we've got our true lemon, we've got our Walker shortbread. Okay, we've got our That's It fruit. We've got our corn tortillas. We've got our coupon for our free lollipop, which gives us a nice super antioxidant smoothie that looks delicious using true lemon. We also have a Muti peeled tomato contest there, and then everything that's in our June box. And you can get this yourself, your own June DegustaBox. Like I said, just follow the links in the video. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great one. Let me know what your favorite item is. And if you've tried any of these things, if you use them on a regular basis, let me know what you like best. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.